Alright guys, Static Cha-Cha here, you know the deal. Gonna go hop in my vert real quick. Beautiful day outside. Beautiful day to buy some Static Garage merch. Just saying. You know, who needs door panels? Not drifters.
What's up guys, welcome back to Static Garage. Today we're gonna be doing a lot of things. We did drop merch this past Sunday, which is the Sunday the 15th, and they actually came out really nice. Let me show you guys how they look in the back. So this is one of the designs built by Static Garage. Ooh.
With the static in the front with the lightning bolt. Designed
all by Stephanie. Alright, let's see. Oof, another one just like that. I respect you, I respect you.
I have a different one.
And there's a coilover with the slam to death, which honestly I feel like I used to like that one more, but this one's becoming more of my favorite just because it's longer. Turn around. So make sure to check them out and support us so we can give you guys more content. But back to the video. Today we are going to be installing Static Cha-Cha's
CLIQTUNING short shifter.
Another short shifter video? Fuck, fool.
This one's better though. This is for the E36.
This is for the race ones.
Who's the race one?
Race one. No, but we're also gonna be going out and having a good time today. So it's not. This is gonna be more of a vlog. So this is gonna be a quick install. Hopefully, because BMW short shifter is a pain in the ass.
BMWs in general working on are a pain in the ass, but they're so fun.
My name's Martin. All G35s are broken. Burn oil.
They do.
I didn't quite give you guys an update on what's going on with my dad's car, because in the last video I did mention that this car was in a little wreck and we're actually upgrading everything as we go by. We ended up installing an M3 front bumper. We have an ECS strut bar that we're going to be installing. On the bottom we have some ECS tuning sway bars just like mine, heavy duty control arms, a new radiator, a bunch of goodies, and we even have some, I believe, ZHP side skirts that we're going to be putting on, and they're all painted, all ready to go. So this car is a work in progress. We haven't been really filming the process just because my dad does need his car running, so we've been trying to do everything really fast aside from doing videos, and that's why I apologize for the lack of uploads. We've just been so busy with merch, finding other things, and sometimes it's hard, but we're back at it with more videos.
Oh, hey, thanks for the purchase, man. But what if you're a girl? Alright, whatever. Enjoy the cool stuff we offer. New products every month, fresh.
We will ship out decals separately later and have an awesome day.
Ooh, there you go. Oh, there you go.
This random box on the floor with this random shift. Dude, what is this? It's like a bat, bro. The biggest pain on this car is to actually jack it up. I feel like that's gonna be the only difficult thing. And they do sell little pieces that go into here.
Damn.
What the hell?
So I want to give a quick shout out to the previous owner
for selling us a car with a shifter that's held on by shoelaces.
Look how it's
they already popped out of the socket.
Look at this.
The whole thing's moving. Like yeah. We have to make sure that that piece right there isn't just broken.
Yeah.
Jolly Green Giant.
What's going on here?
I guess I'm mad.
Mine got horny, fool.
This fool, he's all, check this out. I'm like, fool, I got dummy strength.
Alright, so this is the wobbly right here. I'm under here. And I was able to pry it off with the flathead, but
I got it.
How old it is. How bad does it look, Martin?
It looks pretty good.
Nice.
It's all bent, you see it?
Nice.
Sick ass fool.
This is the old shifter. Obviously, looks like OEM because it is OEM, but this is torn, beat to shit. And this one is actually going to be chassis mounted. So there's not going to be a pivot ball, kind of like his Martin style and all of ours, where it's like a socket that it fits in. This is going to be replacing that. So this is still going to connect to a DSSR. Yeah. And because that's what's going to be pulling it. He can upgrade one later, but we just took off the circlip. It's pretty easy. They just not a lot of light down there, but it's one of these things right here. We're going to see how we can get rid of the whole piece. This thing right here, because it is wobbling. We just need to find out how far deep it goes inside.
What happened, dude?
Life happened, bro. I don't want BMWs no more.
I'll stay down here for the...
Look at this. We had to remove...
Well, you got dirty for me.
We gotta remove this piece right here. So this thing was towards the back of the car and it wasn't being held on by anything. This had a little, pretty much a pin in here that went through, and I think it's right here. And it was being a bitch to get out because it had like a little clip on the other side and it had no room because we're not dropping the drive shaft, so we're not moving anything. So pretty much what I had to do is get a long ass pry bar. We had to get something like this, and I pretty much just pried on that clip and just hit it out. It's kind of hard to explain and it's kind of hard to show you guys underneath, but it was pretty, I would say it was pretty simple if you had the right tools. And we were doing it. I didn't know what the hell I was looking at because, you know, everything's everywhere and it's dark. Did I mess up my shirt though?
Nah.
Cool, we ceramic coated them, remember? Full, you can work on your car and then full coolant flushes.
You throw water on them, they just fall off. Watch, let me show you. Watch, ceramic coated, look.
Yep.
I think
this is the one we forgot to do.
we just dropped the merch about like an hour and a half ago and we already sold out of smalls, and we're actually selling a lot, surprisingly. This is the first big drop that we've ever really done, and it's so unorganized. We don't have any photo shoots, we don't have anything, and we decided to randomly drop it. So by the time you guys probably check, there's gonna be very few available, but it'll give you guys some time to cop. And on top of that, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll be up to date and make sure to get all the new releases right away when I upload them. So make sure to follow me on Instagram at StaticDanny.
For the winter drop, we'll try to do a better job of letting you guys know when it's actually releasing.
And
just
we'll have a
'cause-
video.
Yeah, we'll make a dedicated video for the merch and stuff, just because this launch was kind of a fail.
Chacha, are you mad? Why?
Fight this one.
Who are you mad at?
Martin.
Hey Martin! What? Hurry up!
I'm trying to put like the stud in. I mean the bottom. I'm trying to put the bottom plate, line it up, and then I put the nut, and then he just lets the fucking stud come out full.
Not even a stud, you idiot.
Mario, why are you so mad?
Hurry up!
I'm so tired, dude. We've been down there for...
Good 40 minutes.
Let me show how dirty you are.
Am I that dirty?
God,
Yeah.
you guys are so dirty.
Jesus, dude.
Shout out to Danny doing all the work.
Go take a shower.
Probably gonna have
tired
to
in your
when we
seat.
go
Boy, it
out.
hurts.
I have to clean the shirt because I want to wear it.
Your seat
Is
hurts.
it dirty?
Nope.
That's why you gotta order it, because it's
Look at that.
Sick ass.
we layered it in clear coat too. Oh my god.
What the fuck? That's gonna be nuts.
Like, it's so much easier. Ah, we should have shown you. BMWs are notorious for having such long throws.
Dude, that reverse is badass.
How do you like it?
Better than the other one. Remember it would go like this?
Yeah, the whole thing. I mean, dude, it feels really nice. Like, it's shorter than all of our cars.
We're ready to go swing it.
Hey, Chacha, what are you doing?
I'm gonna tie the diff bolt. Alright, so right now we're tying the diff bolt because the previous owner had a M3 diff on here. And I guess this nut right here keeps getting loose, and this is not the right nut. You can see right here they shaved it down with the grinder, but we had to order the right nut. So right now we're gonna tie in the diff, Martin.
Yeah.
And then probably go sliding, Danny.
Yeah! We're gonna be starting to ship out the packages or orders that we got today. We have about like 15 right now, huh? Within the first 2 hours. Martin's gonna do it. Respect him. Damn.
First.
So,
What size is this guy?
he got 2 shirts. The first person got 2 shirts.
Alright.
So, what did we buy?
Okay, so I ordered these custom thank you cards. On the front, they're gonna be the same for everyone. It says, Static Garage thanks you for the support. And then on the back, they're a picture of all of our cars. So you can see there's 5 different ones. All of our cars. So depending on who packages your order, we're gonna put, like, let's say Static Martin packages this order. He's gonna put
Martin?
his thank you card on there.
Your car's slow.
Thank you.
Static Cha-Cha is gonna slide. I love you. There you go. does slide really, really well. Oh, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. It's like the car's so forgiving. And it's like butter, bro, like real butter, even with the spare on. We're waiting for Martin to come back. He's actually picking up his girlfriend, and we're gonna be heading out to eat right now. And we're still debating on what to get. I don't know, I crave for burgers, but I always crave burgers. What are you craving?
Burgers.
We didn't show you guys, but we actually got door cards for the Miata. We should have done a video, but it just didn't work out. So we have these. Look at that.
And you know, of course, we did it with
painted.
spray cans because.
At Martin's house.
Yep, the forest.
But it looks so good, and the interior is pretty much complete in a sense where there's not a lot of missing parts anymore. So I mean, we need to fix some parts like this rattle, but
Yeah.
everything else is
but
good.
It's coming together.
If you live in California, you know the struggle of getting in and out when there's literally like 100 cars in front of us. That looks so good.
Can I get forks, please? Where's yours at? Thank you.
The girls always think they can like boss us around and make us throw shit out, but we're still listening. Hey bro, where'd you get that shirt at?
www.staticgarage.com.
Hey, where'd you get that shirt at?
Where I get my shirt?
Yeah.
StaticGarage.com.
Oh, that shot flames. Damn. Oh shit! I think that's enough for today, bro.
Yeah, that's enough.
That's too much flames.
It's too many.
The last one, I don't know if it was blurry or not, but like it was like on fire. Dude, we need a race car on corn. You smell that elote, fool? It's been a long day, bro. We didn't really do much. We just installed a short shifter, and then shipped out. I mean, I wish I shipped out orders, but we packaged them. Then we swung it on Chachin's E36 in a private closed course. Martin's car is too loud. Like when we were passing the 2 mountain passes, it was like extremely loud. I feel like I just need a race car. Too many slam cars. I can't even drive my car anywhere. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.